Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can copy a Google Drive folder that was shared to us in our local hard disk. Whenever a read-only folder is shared to us that has several small files and that are location critical, we need to save that folder and files properly. To do that, we need to create a separate copy in our local drive or Google Drive. We have to go through following steps. First, we have to organize the folder in Google Drive web in a web browser. Then we have to sync Google Drive in our laptop drive. Then we have to make that folder offline. Then we need to copy the content to another location. We will go through this process step by step. Let's begin. Right now I have already set up Google Drive in my computer. If you want to see how to set up Google Drive, you can follow my previous video. Let's open this drive. I only have 3 folders here, and for this account I have a shared folder. Let's open Google Drive in web in Chrome browser. After opening Google Drive in our browser, there will be a link that will be shared to us. We have to open that link like this. After opening that shared drive link, we need to come to this shared with me tab. Then this was the folder that was shared to me, and I want to copy this folder to my local drive. You can click the grid layout button here to get such view. Now we need to organize this folder. Organize and add shortcut. We are just adding a shortcut of that folder in our Google Drive. All location, my drive. Let's keep it here now. Add. Now if we go to my drive, here is a link of that folder that is saved in our Google Drive. Right now here are 3 folders in my local computer in Yacht's drive, but after a while when the sync is complete, let's refresh. Now you can see the folder that we saved earlier in our Google Drive web. That is a shortcut of a shared folder. If we see the location, it is shortcut. We can see here shortcut target by ID like this, but we want this folder in our local drive. How to do this? We have synced to Google Drive in our laptop drive. Now the third step, make that folder offline. Go to Google Drive in your local hard disk, right click, show more option, offline access. Right now it is online only, do available offline. We are doing this process because this folder might be of large size and it might contain several small files, and when we are copying, those small files might be missed, or then later we will get some file copy errors. So for now we have to do available offline. Let's do available offline my files also. Once any folder is available offline, a green tick mark will be available here. Once the green check mark appears, we have to create a new folder where we want to save the contents of this folder. Let's make a new folder. I have created this folder. Now let's enter the shared folder. Now we can see it has shortcut and such names and the folder name. Let's copy this. Control, click here, Control A. We select all items, then right click and copy. Then click this back icon. And let's go to our my videos folder, the folder that we created earlier, and paste. and it is downloading. Right now the files are being copied. Now the files are copied completely. The copy process completed without any error, and we have to right click and we have to make this folder also offline so that we can use easily when we don't have internet or have poor internet connectivity. It will take a while to have green tick mark icon here. We can see the folder was 378 MB. Right now the folder was read only. If we try to create some item here, we didn't have any access here to create some item here. But now once we copied this folder, once we copied the contents of this folder in our drive, we can do anything here. We can add any file, or we can add files or modify contents of these folders or these files. We are free to do so. We can use this folder. This is our own folder, so we can use the files as we want. And this folder works as safe copy for our shared files. If we need the original files later, we can copy files from here and save in our desired folder. This is all for this video. If you have any confusion or one video in other topics, you can put your comments. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Thank you.